looking unto Jesus, our deliverer. Looking unto Jesus, our deliverer. It is only Jesus that can deliver you from any kind of bondages that you have in your life. Perhaps you've tried man, you've tried a woman, you've tried to get help from all kinds of things. But have you tried Jesus? Open up your heart to him. Call unto him. For when you call upon the name of the Lord, you will be saved. And when you call upon the name of the Lord, he will deliver you. Ask him to deliver you. God has the power to go to the roots and the foundations of whatever it is you're going through. Call him by his name. Call him Jehovah Mepalti, and he will come as the great deliverer. He will pull you out of the waterless pits by the power of the blood of Jesus. Call him Jehovah Mepalti, and he will come and deliver you. For when you call upon the name of the Lord, he will answer. No good thing would he withhold from those who put their trust in you. Call him by his name, and he will come to let you know that he's there. He will deliver you from all kinds of bondages, no matter what it is that you feel that you're going through. If it's a bondage of alcohol, God is able to deliver you. If it's a bondage of drug addiction, he's still able to deliver you. Jesus is the deliverer. He is our rock and our strength and refuge, and he is our deliverer. Psalm 18 verse 2 says, Jesus is our deliverer. As you call upon him, he will answer you. I called upon him. I had so many issues, but Jesus turned my mess into a message. He is here. Open up your heart to him, and he will do the same if you let him truly into your heart. Call him Jehovah Mepalti, and he will deliver you from all kinds of things you're going through. You've tried your best. You've run to the man, run to the woman, run to food, run to addictions, alcohol, drugs, but yet you feel so empty. Call Jesus, Jehovah Mepalti, the great deliverer, and you will see how he can turn your life around. This is Uzamaka, looking unto Jesus, our deliverer.